Edit the shapes that you're making with the pen tool. So under the pen tool right here, you could add anchor points, delete anchor points, and the basic anchor point tools. Okay, so what the delete anchor point tool does is that you find a path. Well, let's select the object first. And with this, there should be anchor points along it. And with the delete anchor points tool, you'll be finding a point. Whoops. So let's try this again. So on a segment, line segment created with the pen tool, there are anchors. When we were drawing these shapes, we pulled on the handles and such, so that created these shapes. Now, if we use the direct select tool and click on the shapes, you'll see these handles pop up. You'll see the anchor points pop up. With that, you should be able to grab the handles and change the shapes. Or you can go to the delete anchor tool and select on an anchor point. What that does is to get rid of the anchor point, so now it's interpolating from the original point to the end point, because we got rid of the middle anchor points. So you could do that with as many, or as many of these parts as you want. So if I want to get rid of this anchor point, there it is. So yeah, you could also add anchor points to any of these things. So if I click on anywhere along the path, I created a new anchor point. With that, I should be able to manipulate these lines with the new handles that I've created. So please note that as you're pulling on these anchors or pushing them away, it's kind of like this point is being attracted to the handle, right? So yeah, so you could add more. Whoops, I missed. So you could add more, and then create different shapes as such. We can also create more anchor points, or create a new anchor points from these line segments. From a straight segments, we could create a anchor point. So if we have a line, select the path, and that created a new anchor point. Oops, sorry. Create a new anchor point and drag. And now what we drew as a line becomes a kind of like the curve. So you can manipulate straight lines into curved lines with the create the anchor point tool.